Hi minasan! That means hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm totally excited because I have for you the mini brands Fill the Fridge. I've had the fridge for a little bit, but I've been wanting to get some of the capsules to open along with the fridge. So let's jump into it. I'm totally excited for this. I've had my eyes on this for a while, and I've wanted to I've been craving to do this, so let's get into it and see what this is. So it looks like some of the minis are going to be make it yourself, like with resin and everything, because the fridge has a UV light in it, which I'm gonna actually use this fridge to also do some other minis that I have that have the resin in it, because then I can instead of tracking down a UV light, I can just use the fridge to do it. Well, hopefully. We'll see if there's enough room for it. So in this mini fridge, or Fill the Fridge, it says that there's also magnets to collect. So sorry about that. It says that there's over 60 plus to collect. So there's over 60 things to collect. Okay. Probably gonna have to stop the video to put the batteries in the fridge. But we'll see. We'll see. Off. Oh, this fridge looks very cute. Look at that. Look at that fridge. Oh my gosh. Okay. It even has like the coils on the back of the fridge. Like the cooling coils. Then this is where the battery goes. It has two settings. I can't see what the settings. Oh, one of the settings says LED, and then the other says UV on it. So there's two options on here. So let's see. Oh my gosh, and there's stuff in here. Oh, and the light is on. Look at that. Okay. Look at the tray here. And it looks like, okay, so it looks like you can switch it. So that is with the LED, and there's the UV. So the LED light and the UV light. So the bottom is would be the freezer, I would guess. And it has these little trays in here, little bins. This is, oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so, and I also saw that they also had possibly like a stove and everything that you can collect also, so we'll see. Okay, so here's Fill the Fridge, the UV option. So yeah, so like I was saying, it said to collect and create a whole magic kitchen. So as you see, it looks like they hopefully are gonna come out with other items. So like it looks like there's a stove, it looks like there's a dishwasher, and then a sink. So I don't know if they're just gonna have these items, or they're gonna do more minis with these items. So it looks like this is for one of the minis that you get. Looks like a gel mold. So we will see about that. So these are the instructions for it. So once we get in, we'll see, but let's see what this is. So this is right here. This one said it came with seven different things. So, okay, so this is just more of the drawers and everything. Let's get drawers and trays. Okay. So this one has a little thing that says UV on it. So I'm taking that part, it goes up here on the top because that's where the light is. And you have this one. And this one. Okay. And you have this, goes on the fridge drawer. Looks like there might be eggs. I think this would go on top with the eggs. And look at that, it closes. Okay, so let's leave the fridge open and then see what's in here. Okay, so this is where the instructions come in handy because this is here's the resin here. Here's the actual mold here, and then the lid. Maybe there's a saucer or something. Yeah, it looks like there's a saucer for it. So, but this will be the first time I do this. Okay, so let's see. Is this the saucer with the? Okay, so this is the saucer with looks like the oranges. So, okay, so this is just looks like the instructions for the fridge itself. Okay, at this point in the video, I'm getting ready to make the Jello mold with the refrigerator door open and the LED setting on. The light stays on, and then when you close the door, it actually turns off. But when you have it on the UV setting and you close the door, the UV light stays on. I'm actually going to cut out the section that I'm actually making the mold and do a separate video for that, as well as I'm also going to cut out the part where I make the tiramisu mold and cut out that also. That way you can watch it on a separate video of how to make it. It also cuts down the time that this video will be, because if I would have left those in, it would be over an hour for this video. So I hope you like it. We're gonna open other items. Okay, so here's this, and looks like we got our first magnet. It is a watermelon magnet. And then there is a scoop in here. So there's a scoop, and then Holy Pop, which I actually drink Holy Pop. So this is pretty cool that there's a Holy Pop in here. It has the barcode and everything. Okay, so there's the Holy Pop. I wonder what's in this bag here. Okay, so in this bag, we got some more Oli Pop. The wording and everything. This one doesn't have a barcode on it, but another Oli Pop. Oh, and another Oli Pop. This is a classic root beer. So there's 3 Oli Pops and a Ramune, peach Ramune. This is a Japanese soda drink. Up in this area here, there's usually a marble that is up here that you punch down, but I still drink those every once in a while. I'll get them. So, and then this is Mike's Hot Honey, extra hot. So, extra hot. Oh, I don't think I turned around the nominee. So there's the side, has the instructions on how to open it up there. There's that. Okay. And then we got pizza from Pizza Hut. Let's see if it has something in here or not. It's not wanting to open. So, well, it sounds like there's something in here. So let's try to open this. And there it is. There's the pizza itself. It's just pizza right there. Pizza in a cardboard box. Well, it's plastic, but it's supposed to be like cardboard. Yeah. Okay. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 things, 9 things in the fridge. Okay, so let's go on and open up these capsules. I have 4 capsules, about 4 capsules. So let's see what else we get. And I'm hoping that in the capsules it has a list of what to expect. So then that way we can keep track of what we are trying to collect. Just like in the mini brands Kawaii, we were able to see what the rare, the ultra rare, the legendary was. Okay, so there's different color in here. There's different color bags. So you have these bags, and then so it looks like you have 3 green bags and 3 yellow bags. So I'm not too sure what the difference between these are, but 3 bags of each. And then here's our list. So just like the mini brands, oh wow, this is a big long list. So over 60 items. So there looks like there's 19 magnets, and then out of the common, oh boy, there's a lot. So out of the common, there's a few. The Pizza Hut is a common. Let's see, did I get any other common things? No. From the fridge I got, so from the fridge I have 2 iconic. So the ramen and the olipop is iconic. So the legendary, it looks like there's popsicles to create, and this is maybe like flan or something to create. Out of the luxury, looks like maybe tiramisu. You create a tiramisu. Oh wait, there's different ramenes. So this one's peach, this one's strawberry. So I did get, no, that's a different one. So I got a peach ramen, which I don't see, did I miss it somewhere? Because this one looks like a strawberry. Where is, that's the original ramen. So there must be one on here then. Interesting. Unless I'm missing it, I don't see the peach ramen. Oh, so here it says original, and then there it says original. So I wonder if one of these is actually supposed to be a peach actually. So maybe there's actually a mistake in this print. So, okay. So let's get cracking. Okay, so it looks like you get a magnet in each capsule. So here's avocado toast. Okay. So let's see, which one should we open? I don't know. Let's just go. Let's just start opening because we have time. Okay, bottled water. This one is a common. So bottled water is a common. I'm gonna try to have to figure out how I'm gonna put these in the fridge. Okay, got Jello. Vanilla Jello. It looks like they're individually packed in here. I don't think I want to take this apart, but it looks like they're individually packed in here because you can separate it. So here's Jello, and the Jello is a rare. Okay. Hickory smoked barbecue sauce. Hickory smoked barbecue sauce. Anybody need some bacon? Here's some bacon, thick cut bacon. Some thick cut bacon. Look at that. Here's a fruit tray. Has fruit in it. I don't know if this opens. Does it open? It does open. You do have the fruit in here. So these two fruit are actually connected. So they're just pieces of fruit. It just goes right in here. So I have a fruit tray. Okay. And this one. This is one that you create. Cream glue. Okay. So this looks like it's the, oh, what is that? The tiramisu one. Okay. Oh, so there's little sand that goes on top. Let's see how much time we have left. So 2 minutes before I'll put that in. I don't need any more of this. So I'll put this aside, put this aside. I don't need this, put that aside, and we'll open our next one. Let's see what the next one yields. Okay. So I might actually only do 2 capsules because the making portion does take some time. Okay, what do we have? Have an egg. Okay, so there's an egg. Just another of all of the what we can collect. Another list is basically what I was trying to say. Let's see what we have here. We have some fresh fish. Look at that. Some fresh fish. What is the fish? The fish is it a common or rare? It is a common. So the fish is a common. Okay. We have some Annie Ann's soft pretzels. This one is a rare. One of my favorites when I'm at the mall. It would be nice if like they labeled the items, like if the items were like it goes in the freezer or if it goes in the fridge, and then that way you can put it in the fridge or freezer. Mac and cheese. Holmes macaroni and cheese. Next one we have, what is this? This is oats jar. What is an oats jar? I've never heard of oats jar before. If you know what oats jar is, let me know, because it looks like maybe it's like oatmeal with maybe yogurt in it or something. That's what I think it is. So, okay. So that one said, let's see, the tiramisu one said, I think 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in for 15 minutes. Okay, let's go, let's see here. Okay, we have juice. Oh, look at the top. So it's just the wrapper on the outside. There's actually nothing in there, but it does give the illusion that there's something in there. Okay, so we have the juice. That one, I want to say it's a common one. And we have a ramune original. So now I have the peach and the original of the ramune. So I want to say I have either the rare or the ultra rare, because there was a double print of the ramune on here. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm just gonna open the other two. Mine as well. Okay. Should I? Yes. Because I'm waiting. I have to wait 10 minutes for the resin to cure. So 10 more minutes you get with me. Okay, it doesn't look like I have anything that's going to be a resin in here. But where's the magnet? Because I thought there was a magnet that came in with everything. There was 2 magnets last time, unless, oh, there it is. Found the magnet. It is a tea kettle. Okay. Let's see what we get. We got another barbecue sauce. So the same hickory smoked barbecue sauce. So that is the first time we've had a double of something. So let's see what this one is. This is vanilla pudding, so this is another double. This one is the fruit tray. So this is another fruit tray, which we have this one. Ooh, ice. This is ice cubes. They are individual ice cubes, so if I were to open this, ice cubes would go everywhere, which I don't want. So we got ice cubes. And ice cubes is a luxury. Okay, so we got 2 luxuries now. Here's bacon again, so we have bacon. So, and what is this? This is the juice. So we got another juice. Okay, so last one is last one. Okay. this one, let's see, it doesn't look like there's any of the resin. And it's the ice cream for the magnet. Okay. Let's see what we got. We have crispy tater tots. Now, if I get another one of these, I might open it up. I don't think doesn't feel like there's anything in here. It just feels like there's actually foam. I don't feel like there's any individual, so I don't think there's like little tater tots in here, but you never know. So if I get another one, I will open it and see. We have some lamb chops. And we have craft singles. I don't think we've ever, like when I was growing up in my house, we didn't have craft singles. At least I don't remember having craft singles. I think we always had like real cheddar, but we never really had like American cheese. So what did you guys have in your home? Did you guys have American cheese, or did you guys have craft? Or I mean cheddar. Another oats jar. This is fresh milk. Fresh milk. And the last one is soy sauce. So we have soy sauce. I wonder if you were to take this and scan it, what it would do. Okay, so out of the 4 capsules, we got a pretty good number of miniatures. We're still waiting for the, I want to say it's a tiramisu. We're still waiting for the tiramisu, so I'm going to pause it right here, and then I'll come back after the tiramisu is done, because I'm already done opening the capsules. So I will see you in a bit. Okay, so it's supposed to be done, so I'm gonna take it out, and with a bit of magic, we have it there. Okay, so it still needs some more time under the UV because it's not cured fully yet. So anyways, this is the start of my collection of the mini brands Fill the Fridge. So we have the fridge there. It has the LED switch. You can switch it to UV to cure your resin. So far, I have gotten one of the resins. So Fill the Fridge, it looks like what comes in the fridge is a special resin one, which I'm not seeing on the list. So those are special collectors, I believe. So there's still more to collect, and so I will be coming back with some more. Please watch my content. Please like below. Tell me what you think about these mini brands. What you feel about the collection. So far, I like it because they're items that I can relate to. One of the things that I found was actually the oats jar. This actually comes off, and there's fruits and oats on top. So I believe this oats jar is like still cut oats in yogurt or something. I'll have to look this up and see what it actually is. But so yeah, thank you for watching my content. I appreciate all of you. I hope you guys are having a great day today. But like and subscribe below, and I look for you next time. Thank you so much.